The Kimberley Cruiser Kuba off-road trailer is a top-tier, compact off-road trailer designed for adventurers who crave comfort while navigating tough terrains. Crafted by Kimberley Campers, an Australian company known for producing durable and innovative off-road trailers, the Kuba combines rugged construction with modern luxury. Despite its compact size, the Kuba is cleverly designed to maximize space, featuring a comfortable sleeping area, a fully equipped kitchenette, and ample storage, making it perfect for extended trips off the grid. The trailer is also outfitted for self-sufficient living, with solar power systems, water tanks, and energy-efficient features that support long-term off-road use. Made from high-quality, weather-resistant materials, the Kuba is built to endure harsh conditions and provide long-lasting durability. The Living Vehicle HD30 is a luxury, off-grid travel trailer that's designed to provide a sustainable and comfortable living experience. The HD30 is powered by a robust solar system that can generate enough energy to run all of its appliances and systems, even in remote locations. The HD30 has a comfortable bedroom with a queen-size bed. The Living Vehicle HD30 is a truly remarkable piece of engineering that offers a unique and luxurious way to experience the great outdoors. It's perfect for those who want to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and enjoy the freedom of the open road. The trailer has a built-in water filtration system that can purify water from various sources, and it also includes a large water storage tank. The HD30 is equipped with a high-capacity battery bank that can store excess solar energy for use during cloudy days or at night. The HD30 has a fully equipped kitchen, including a refrigerator, stove, oven, and sink. The CMC Athena motorhome is a luxurious and spacious motorhome crafted by the Italian company CMC Caravan. Known for their high-quality craftsmanship and attention to detail, CMC has created the Athena to offer a premium travel experience. The Athena boasts a sleek and sophisticated exterior, combined with a luxurious interior that exudes comfort and style. The motorhome offers ample living space, including a comfortable lounge area, fully equipped kitchen, and a private bedroom. CMC uses premium materials and finishes throughout the Athena, ensuring a durable and aesthetically pleasing vehicle. The Athena is equipped with modern amenities such as a large flat-screen TV, air conditioning, and a state-of-the-art sound system. CMC offers various customization options to tailor the Athena to your specific needs and preferences. Additional features. The Athena features a spacious bathroom with a shower, toilet, and vanity. The motorhome provides ample storage space for your belongings, including a garage for outdoor equipment. The Movable Roots Jojo Bean series is a popular line of tiny homes known for their compact size, efficient design, and high-quality construction. These tiny homes offer a comfortable and sustainable living solution for those seeking a minimalist lifestyle. The Jojo Bean series is designed to fit on a trailer, making it highly mobile and ideal for traveling or off-grid living. The interior is carefully designed to maximize space and functionality, with clever storage solutions and multi-purpose areas. A cozy living space with comfortable seating and often a small kitchenette. A compact kitchen with essential appliances like a stove, sink, and refrigerator. A small but functional bathroom with a shower and toilet. A loft or separate bedroom area, depending on the model. Ample storage space throughout the home, including closets, cabinets, and underbed storage. The Caracat 66 is a unique and innovative amphibious vehicle that combines the functionality of a caravan with the versatility of a boat. It's designed to provide a comfortable and sustainable living experience, both on land and water. The Caracat 66 can seamlessly transition between land and water, offering unparalleled flexibility and freedom. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver and park, both on land and in marinas. The interior is thoughtfully designed to provide a comfortable and functional living space, with features like a kitchen, bathroom, and sleeping area. The Caracat 66 incorporates sustainable elements, such as solar panels for energy generation and water filtration systems. It's designed to operate independently, allowing you to explore remote locations without relying on external infrastructure. Additional features. The Caracat 66 features a spacious deck, ideal for relaxing, entertaining, or enjoying outdoor activities. The large windows provide ample natural light and offer stunning views of your surroundings. Customization options. You can customize the Caracat 66 to suit your specific needs and preferences.